In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add blog social sharing buttons in Wix. It's really simple to do and increases the likelihood of your readers sharing your posts on their social platforms. So let's not waste time and dive straight into it. Our first port of call is the Wix dashboard. You'll be needing to access your Wix editor. This is where you can make changes to your website. On your dashboard, look for the option that enables you to open your website's editor. It is usually located in a clear, accessible area of the dashboard, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to navigate your way to blog pages. How do we do this? Well, if you look to your left, you'll find a sidebar menu. In this sidebar, you're particularly looking for an option labeled Pages and Menu. Once you click on it, it brings you to a new set of options. Here, you'll want to select Blog Pages. Now, bear in mind that you probably have a couple of blog pages already set up. So go ahead and pick the specific blog page you want to work on. It could be any blog page name, like Post, or any other name you've given it. Having chosen your blog page, the next thing you'd want to do is to select the blog post. Simply clicking on the post itself should do the trick. Right after you've selected it, find and click on Settings. This is where the magic is happening. Within the Settings menu, you'll observe a couple of tabs. For what we want to achieve, your focus should be on the Display tab. Go on and click on it. Afterwards, look for a section that reads Share and Print. You might have to scroll a bit to find this, but it's there. From there, you're just a few steps away from your objective. So once you've found the Share and Print section, your next action is to enable or activate it. By doing this, you're technically giving permission for social sharing icons to be displayed on your blog post. Finally, the last step to realize your goal is to select your desired social platforms. This primarily depends on where you believe your readers are most active. This could range from Facebook X, which was formerly known as Twitter, to LinkedIn, or even more. Upon choosing these platforms, you basically facilitate a medium through which your readers can share your blog content. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added blog social sharing buttons to your Wix website. As you can see, it isn't rocket science to get this done. So go on and make those posts shareable.